Natural language processing, or NLP, is a powerful field of artificial intelligence that is rapidly changing how we interact with technology and with each other. It focuses on teaching computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, whether written or spoken. The demand for experts in this area has grown enormously. Companies across every sector are accumulating vast amounts of language data, from customer reviews, social media posts, internal reports, and legal documents. They are actively seeking skilled individuals who can turn words into actionable insights and innovative products. This creates a significant opportunity. The career return on investment, or ROI, for learning NLP is exceptionally high right now. The skills you develop are in high demand and highly transferable across industries: technology, finance, healthcare, and entertainment. This high demand translates into strong salary potential and robust job security. It reflects a fundamental shift in the labor market, not a passing trend. Investing your time in these skills provides a clear path to sustainable career growth at the intersection of human language and machine intelligence. At its core, an NLP scientist is a builder and a problem solver who specializes in human language. The primary responsibility is to design, develop, and deploy computational systems that perform tasks involving text or speech. This is more than writing code. It means deeply understanding the intricacies of language itself. An NLP scientist teaches machines to discern context, recognize sentiment, identify named entities, and grasp subtle meanings like sarcasm or intent. They act as translators, bridging the unstructured, ambiguous world of human communication and the structured, logical world of computer processing. The work mixes scientific research with practical engineering. You will experiment with algorithms and statistical models, read papers, and design experiments. On engineering, write clean, efficient, scalable code to train models, prepare vast data sets, and integrate models into applications people use. Real-world text is messy: typos, slang, grammatical errors, and noise. Pre-processing and data wrangling are fundamental to high-performing systems. Communication is critical. Collaborate across teams, explain complex concepts simply, justify model choices and limitations, and tie results to business impact. One of the most visible applications of NLP is modern chatbots and virtual assistants across retail, banking, and telecommunications. NLP scientists build models to understand typed or spoken questions and parse user intent, check order status, reset a password, or make a complaint. The goal? Seamless, helpful, natural interactions that resolve issues quickly, freeing human agents for complex problems. Search engines rely on NLP. A query triggers sophisticated processes to grasp meaning, typos, and ambiguity. Advanced models rank billions of pages by relevance, authority, and countless other signals. NLP scientists power question answering and semantic search, understanding concepts rather than just keywords. Law tech is transforming. Tools analyze thousands of contracts in minutes, highlight risky clauses, find inconsistencies, and ensure regulatory compliance. For e-discovery, NLP sifts millions of emails and documents to find relevant evidence, saving time, money, and reducing human error. Healthcare analyzes clinical notes. Finance scans news and social sentiment. Media generates summaries and recommendations. Words become value across industries. To begin your journey, a strong programming foundation is non-negotiable. Python is the community standard. Write clean, modular scripts, master lists, dictionaries, functions, and object-oriented basics. Grasp key math, linear algebra for vectors and matrices, probability for predictions, and calculus to debug training computations. Learn ML principles, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, training and evaluation loops, overfitting and regularization. Start with logistic regression and decision trees, then move to neural network architectures used in modern NLP. Familiarize yourself with Hugging Face transformers, Spacie, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. Use Git and GitHub for version control and collaboration to manage code and scale your projects. Those are the essentials. The first step is to build a solid programming foundation by learning the basics of Python. Use free tutorials and interactive courses. Write small scripts, read a text file, and count word frequencies. Practice consistently. Hands-on coding cements variables, loops, and data structures. Next, focus on ML fundamentals. Prepare data, train models, evaluate performance, accuracy, precision, and recall. A solid ML mindset provides context for NLP's unique challenges. Start with text classification, e.g., classify movie reviews as positive or negative using scikit-learn or Hugging Face. The goal isn't perfection. Run the full pipeline. Load data, pre-process text, train a classifier, and evaluate results. Share your work on GitHub with a clear README. It reinforces learning and builds a portfolio that signals initiative, skill, and follow-through. So, share your work and keep going. A typical day begins with a short stand-up. What you did yesterday, what you'll do today, and any blockers. Then, check emails and review experiment results. Accuracy, loss curves, and data logs for anomalies. Mornings favor focused work. Writing model code, improving query handling, cleaning new datasets, and labeling text. You'll debug non-converging models, optimize code and GPUs, and perform error analysis to find failure modes. Afternoons bring collaboration. Meet product managers and designers, advise on what's feasible, and set realistic expectations. Then fine-tune a pre-trained model on a custom dataset. Set up experiments, monitor progress, and document everything for reproducibility. End the day with documentation and knowledge sharing. Read recent papers and blogs. The day blends independent experimentation, cross-functional collaboration, and continuous learning. So varied and engaging. NLP offers a durable, rewarding career for those who enjoy language, data, and technology. The work is intellectually challenging with practical impact, powering chatbots we use daily and refining search engines we rely on. Demand is strong and growing. Becoming an NLP scientist is a marathon built on consistent effort and curiosity. Your path is clear. Master Python. Learn ML concepts with online courses. Then tackle a small NLP project like a sentiment analyzer. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on learning and completing projects end to end. Hands-on experience builds confidence. Leverage tools and communities. Try pre-trained models to get impressive results as a beginner. Share code on GitHub and build a portfolio. Join forums, read practitioner blogs, connect with peers. The most important thing is to start today. Take one small, manageable step. Watch one tutorial. Write 10 lines of Python. Read one blog post. Each small action builds momentum. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your NLP career can begin right now with one decision to learn. Take that step and, just start.